Exercises that reduce belly fat. As people get older, it is common to see an increase in belly fat build up along the waistline. This is usually because muscle mass decreases with age as fat increases. Because belly fat sticks to the waistline and stomach region, doing some abdominal exercises can help to combat it. They can help to tone and flatten the stomach while providing you with a good source of exercise. The goal of these exercises is to target key parts of the lower abs and strengthen them to improve posture, stability, and balance in daily activity. You can do most exercises to help lower your abs without extra equipment, but some of the moves listed below do require sliders or towels. Number 1. Mountain climbers. Mountain climbers work your entire body as well as your core. They are a form of cardio as well, which means they increase your heart rate when you do them. To get started, place yourself in a plank position. This means elevating your body off the ground with your arms. Just think of the up position of a push-up. Remember to keep your body straight and your pelvis tucked slightly. Your arms should be shoulder width apart with both palms on the floor. Your legs should be extended behind you, feet together. Once in this position, slowly move your right knee to your chest, then back again. Next, draw your left knee to your chest and back again. This is one repetition. Increase your pace and move quickly to exercise the rectus abdominis, a pair of muscles that run down your belly and form the bulk of the abdominal muscles. You should repeat this exercise several times for the best results. Professionals recommend 15 to 20 repetitions on each side for beginners. Number 2. Lying leg raises. This exercise strengthens your lower abs but doesn't require you to hold yourself up while you do so. Instead, lie on your back with your legs extended and feet together. Rest the palms of your hands on either side of your body. Raise your legs up together slowly. Be sure they are perpendicular at a right angle to the floor for better results. Hold for 1 or 2 seconds before bringing both legs back down to the floor. Do this for 10 to 15 repetitions or more for best results. If you want to make the exercise work better, don't let your feet touch the ground. Also, be sure not to arch your back. It can lead to back problems if you do. If you have a bad back, consider talking to your doctor before starting this exercise. Number 3. Crunches. When people think of lower ab exercises, they often think of crunches. These low-impact exercises target both your upper and lower abs. They likely won't help you lose weight because they don't make you burn a lot of calories. But they are a good place to start if you want to strengthen your abs. To do a standard crunch, begin by lying on your back with your knees bent and your feet on the ground. Slowly lift your shoulders off the ground, tucking your arms behind your head. Curl your upper body toward your knees, tightening your ab muscles as you lift up. Then lower back down to the ground. That is 1 repetition. Try to do 12 to 20 repetitions in a row. If it is easy, continue. If it is too difficult, start with fewer repetitions. If you are feeling serious pain, stop. If the pain continues for hours or days, talk to a doctor. Other types of crunch exercises that are ideal for your lower abs include reverse crunch, bicycle crunch, runner's crunch, and bird dog crunch. Number 4. Scissor kicks. This exercise is similar to the lying leg raise workout, but you lift one leg at a time rather than both together. Start by lying on your back with both of your legs extended and your feet together. Rest your hands' palms down on either side of your body or underneath your buttocks for support. Lift your shoulder blades and head off the ground. Then, bring your legs up off the ground. With your legs up, take turns lifting and lowering your legs, one after the other. Make sure your feet hover above the ground after you bring them down, about 6 inches. You can repeat the exercise as many times as desired. Number 5. Knee tucks with sliders or exercise ball. For this exercise, you will need towels or sliders. Assume a plank position and place both of your feet on the towels or sliders. Pull both knees to your chest and gradually move back to the starting position. Do this as many times as possible, or at least 10 times if you are a beginner. Avoid leaning your upper body forward too much or hunching your shoulders. This can lead to problems if done too much. If you want more of a challenge, you can use an exercise ball. Instead of placing your legs on sliders or towels, balance your legs on top of the ball. Draw both knees toward your chest and return to the starting point. Number 6. Toe touches. The toe touch is a great lower ab exercise for people who feel comfortable with beginner workouts and want more of a challenge. It uses parts of different lower ab exercises listed here as well, making it easy to transition into other lower ab exercises after completing this one. Start by lying on your back on the floor, exercise mat, or towel. Your knees should be bent and your feet planted firmly on the ground. Rest your arms at your sides. Try to keep them this way throughout the entire exercise. Next, bring your legs up off the floor, straightening them to be perpendicular to your body. Point your toes away from your body. Then, lift your hands toward your toes, lifting your shoulders and head off the ground as you do so. Lower your hands and upper body back down. This is one repetition. Repeat this process several times, keeping your legs perpendicular to the floor and your abs tightening throughout the exercise. Staying safe. While it is important to get at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise a day, you don't want to overtrain and push yourself too hard. Sometimes when you overtrain, your body can produce too much cortisol. This is a stress hormone that is linked to a belly fat, so overtraining may actually make it harder to burn off belly fat. It is important to remember to take new exercises slowly. If you feel a sharp or prolonged pain, talk to your doctor or another healthcare professional, such as a physical therapist. Just keep in mind the recommendations for moderate regular exercise, and talk with your doctor if you have questions about how else your exercise routine can benefit your health. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the like button on this video. We'll see you on our next one.